Good morning, children. Welcome to our online class. This is 12th standard business maths, 6th chapter random variable and mathematical expectation. Today we are going to learn exercise 6.2 fifth sum. Let x be a continuous random variable with the probability density function and function they are given. They are asking find the mean and variation of x. You know the mean formula and variation formula. What is the this is the continuous random variables. So in continuous random variables we have the formula of e of x, integral of, they are given the limits value. What are they given? X is greater than or equal to 1. So lower limit is 1, but upper limit we don't know that. X is greater than 1 means they are given, but what is the x limited value, they are not given. So I am taking infinitive. You know the formula, x into f of x dx. What is the f of x function? 3 by x x power 4. So instead of f of x, we can write 3 by x power 4. Then integral 1 to infinities x into f of x equal to 3 by x power 4 dx. We have cancel 1x and here we have the 4x is there. So we take it outside the constant. So integral 1 to infinities, we have that 1 by x power 3. What is the next step? I bring down the x power 3 in above. It will change to x power minus 3. 1 to infinity change to x power minus 3. You know that what is the integral of x minus 3? Yes, 3 x power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 into, write the limits. Okay, then what is the answer here? X power minus 3 plus 1, x power minus 2 by minus 2. Next step, I bring down the minus 1 by minus 2 in outside, change to 3 by minus 2. Then here I bring down the x minus 2 in below. It changed to x power 2. Okay, then next step I will substitute the limit value here in that x place. Instead of x, I will substitute the limits value 1 by infinity. Infinity square means 1 by infinity minus 1 by 1. So 1 by infinity means 0. Minus and plus we have 1. So 3 by 2. This is the answer of E of x. E of x is the answer of E of x. Then we want E of x square. So x place I will write the x square. X square. So take the integral 1 to infinity x square and f of x dx. So integral of x square f of x, you know the function of f of x is equal to 3 by x power 4 dx. X power square and x power 4 is cancelled. We have a limit. We have 3. Take outside 1 to infinitive. Here we have 1 by x square and dx. Next step, I will bring down the x square in above. It changed to x power minus 2. Then taking the integral of x minus 2, it gives x minus 2 plus 1. It gives x minus 1 divided by minus 1. 1 infinitive. Next step, 3 minus 1 I am taking outside, it changed to minus 3. X minus 1 changed to 1 by x. Taking the limits of this, we have the answer minus 3. X place I am substitute the infinitive 1 then 1. 1 by infinitive minus 1 by 1. So we have 1 by infinitive is equal to 0. So minus into minus plus. So we have the answer 3. This is the E of x square. Then we going to mean and x power e power x square we find. Then we are going to find the var x, that means variance in x. So var x equal to, what is the formula of var x? E power ex square ex square minus ex whole square. You know what is the difference of this both one? Ex square, e of x whole square. E of x whole square. So e of x square is equal to 3 minus e of x whole square. What is the e of x? E of x equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 2 whole square, it gives 3 minus 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Then cross multiply 2. I want the answer is 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is by 4. It gives 12 minus 9 is equal to 3 by 4. So var x equal to, variation of x equal to 3 by 4. Is it clear? The next sixth sum, in an investment, a man can make a profit of rupees 5,000 with a probability of 0.62 or a loss of rupees 8,000 with a probability of 0.38. Find the expected gain. You know that profit and loss they are given. First I am going to draw the table. X and probability of x I am going to write. What is the x here? X equal to, first I am taking the profit. Profit is equal to rupees 5,000. Profit equal to 5,000 and loss equal to 8,000. So loss place I put the minus 8,000 because loss. So I am going to put the minus 8,000. Then the P of x, $5,000, what is the probability of this? 0.62. So minus 8,000 is the loss. Loss means probability is equal to 0.32. So expected value means we are going to find the mean. So this is the probability mass function, so we are using the e of x equal to expected gain. That means expected gain e of x equal to summation of p of x, summation of x into p of x, summation of x into p of x, x into p of x. So once I am doing that, 5000 multiply into 0.62 minus plus minus 8000 multiply 0.38. So I multiply this the 5000 and 0.6, it gives 3100 plus minus into plus is equal to minus. So I am right here 8000 plus 0.38 gives 3040. I subtract the both value, it gives rupees 60. Rupees 60. So the expected value is equal to, so expected value rupees 60. Is it clear, children? I hope you understand what. Okay, bye.